Okay, so here's my Glock 17. Here's the Trijicon HD front sight. And if you can see in the video here, I'm able to wiggle it back and forth. Was not like that when I originally installed it. So let's take a look here. And you can see the nut in there, or the bolt, more correctly. And here is the little wrench. It's not loose. It will not tighten anymore. The Loctite that I used, which right here, red Loctite, has not loosened it, not allowed the bolt to loosen up at all. However, I am now having wiggle issues with the front sight.